For our work with order of operations, we are going to be covering two standards that fall under the larger concept of write and interpret numerical expressions. All of our lessons for this unit have really embodied these two standards, but order of operations work has a more focused lens on these two standards. So the first is the ability to use parentheses, brackets, or braces in numerical expressions and evaluate expressions with these symbols. And the second is to write simple expressions that record calculations with numbers and interpret numerical expressions without evaluating them. For example, the ability to express the calculation, add 8 and 7, then multiply by 2, and you would write 2 times parentheses 8 plus 7. Now, let's get to our Pearson lesson to practice this skill. All right, we have a problem, 2 plus 2 times 5 plus 7, that we need to work to solve. This problem does not have any parentheses, it does not have any brackets, so we need to keep in mind which order of operations we need to solve for first. We know that we should solve multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So 2 times 5 should be solved first. And I like to show my work by using carets. So let's create that into a 10 and let's carry down our 2 plus and our plus 7. Now this is simple work. 10 plus 7 is 17 and 17 plus 2 is 19. So our final answer should be 19. Now, if I were to add brackets to this problem and parentheses, this would change my answer. So let's say I want to first solve the 5 plus 7, then I want to multiply that by 2, and then finally I want to add 2 to that. So parentheses is always solved for first. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 2 times 12 is 24. And then finally I need to carry the 2 down and say 2 plus 24 is 26. So my final answer should be 26. So you can see how important it can be to make sure you are solving order of operations problems properly, because otherwise you're going to get two very different answers. So now I would like you to work to solve first this problem, 63 minus 5 times 8 divided by 10. And this is order of operations without any parentheses or brackets. And then for the second step of your exit ticket, I want you to solve this problem instead, which includes parentheses and brackets. So you need to remember which comes first, parentheses or brackets, multiplication, division, and subtraction. Now just a reminder, the original problem you still need to solve, which was 63 minus 5 times 8 divided by 10. So solve that first, and then work to solve this problem here. So you need to have two answers for your exit ticket. This is our final lesson for Unit 1 Reteaching. Please complete the exit ticket and turn in to unlock your summative assessment.